Beautiful. It's gonna go. Yes. A little more. That should be a good one. Hell yeah. Sweet. I love this thing.
That's the side with my custom hood hinge engineering.
Yep. Awesome. So we're gonna need to open this hood.
Like this, right?
No, not yet. Hold on. First, the main lock needs to be released. There we go.
And
then you can pull this
custom
out. Yeah, we need to get a new tongue for this baby.
I got one in the old Gold car.
Oh, okay. We should actually swap that.
I rebuilt this whole corner in here.
Yeah, I remember that. You know what? Actually, the cherry pie needs the same thing. It has a problem. It needs
Really?
Yeah, this thing is rusted. Like, right? Remember you were rebuilding yours?
Yeah, yeah. Right down
So that,
there.
yeah, that thing
Right
is
there.
like, yeah, right there.
That's what I
Sorry about
built.
that. So that thing was like rusted on her. So
I had to make mine.
yeah. Man, that's awesome.
What are these almost
What?
looking things? These
Which
rope?
ones? These?
Yeah.
What do you think those are?
What?
I mean, they go into the
Question.
injectors.
Question. What do you think those are? Any ideas? He's asking what are these lines right
those-
here?
Does it have anything to do with glow?
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 I don't know. Not quite. Not quite.
Something with the injection.
Oh, bingo!
But what the?
What do you think?
Does that power the injectors like by themselves?
It's the cigarette injector.
Yeah. Okay, it's injector lines, fuel lines,
The charge of fuel.
and these are injectors. Okay. Yes. Yep. Exactly. That's awesome. And we need a new hood pad. Actually, they sell hood pads actually for these cars, which is nice. All right, so let's do this, guys.
When I was 16.
You guys are gonna work on this, and I'm gonna take care of the mirrors. Okay. So here's what you guys have to do. You guys are gonna pop these bezels off. The way to do it is you don't really need to remove this. You guys are gonna see these plastic screws, okay, on
This
them.
one?
Yes, there's I believe 3 of them over there.
The big one.
Yes. So you have to unscrew them.
And you're talking about this one, right?
Yeah, yeah. So you have to unscrew them. They're white plastic
Oh,
ones.
white.
White plastic ones. I'll
You're
show you
talking
right
about
now.
this.
Yep.
Oh, that,
And now
okay.
unscrew it counterclockwise. Yep. You might have to go back and forth if it's really stiff.
No,
And when we put it back, of course, there's gonna be more lubrication, so it's gonna be going easy.
That's what these are?
Yeah, there's
what
like
talking
white plastic round pieces. Yes, you have to undo them. There's 3 of them on each side.
I don't want to overspray. I know it's not that window, but...
Oh my gosh, look at this thing.
What a difference.
That's like brand new. Yep. Put a couple coats and then I'll let it sit till it dries up. Beautiful. Yes.
You gotta do that to your dad's.
Yep. Oh my gosh.
I mean, all it took was 2 coats.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so these mirrors are frozen, you can't move them at all, they're pretty bad. So what we're gonna do is actually try to move them back and forth so nothing happens. So I gotta take it apart, actually, I gotta pop this glass off. Look at that. This goes right here onto that thing, and then it pops into this ball joint.
Look at that.
Oh wow, what a big difference. That is amazing. Like brand new. Now, sprayed some stuff in it. Now you gotta slowly move it everywhere. See? It moves already. Now you gotta go back and forth. Never too much lubrication, never too much grease.
Yeah.